Hi, thanks for watching. I'm James, and this is my Maserati Ghibli SQ4. This car is very special to me, second only to God, family, home, and country. So naturally, I want to protect it. My home has a video surveillance system as well as a security alarm system. Now my car has a video surveillance system as well. And I'm going to show you how I installed it. It's called the Waylans Secure 360 4G dash cam. So there is the Waylans Secure 360 4G dash cam installed in my windshield. What I did is I ran the cable, which has a Type-C USB connector for the camera. I ran it, I tucked it in between the windshield and the dashboard. I did a lot of tucking here. I didn't want to remove trim. So I tucked it here, I tucked it underneath the trim, just tucked it in. Did more tucking here underneath this trim, tucked it underneath here, ran it underneath the seat, and into the back. And then what I did is I went ahead and pulled the flooring for the trunk up. I just removed it. It made it easier for me to install or to run the wire back diagonally to the fuse box. And I used a 16-foot, I spliced in a 16-foot cable that I bought. It's three wire stranded wire cable. Spliced it in. Spliced is about right about there, and ran it back here. 16 foot's probably a little long, but it leaves extra. And it's not that expensive. Let's go back here to the fuse box. I took the insulation off the wire, starting back there somewhere, and then there's the wire right there. You see red, black, and yellow. Ran it back here and into the fuse box. There's fuse 69. That is a micro fuse tap there. And what fuse 69 is the cigarette lighter up front. That is what I used for the ACC wire from the cam. That is fuse number 31. That uses a mini fuse tap. And what fuse 31 is the driver's side seat control. The control that moves the seat back and forth, up and down. And there's a couple plastic risers on that you have to break off in order to use this. I broke mine off. And then I just inserted the fuse tap down inside. And I use 25 amp fuses for all of this. The ground wire is over there. That's where I put my ground wire. If you have any questions about how I installed this, you can post them in the comments below, and I will answer. These fuse taps you can get at any auto parts store. You can also order them online. Those are basically the only parts that I used for installing this dash cam. The fuse taps, the extension cord, some splicers. Oh, and I used a wire, what's called an eye, spliced eye. Basically, it's got a circle that you can insert on there. I don't know what you call those. You probably know what I'm talking about. But I'm going to post a link. I'm going to post a list of the pictures of the items that I used to install the dash cam into my car. And there you go. I've had the Waylans Secure 360 4G dash cam installed in my car for 3 weeks and working. And it's been working great. I love it. It hasn't always been great though. And I've had to return it twice. But the bright spot in all that is the customer support. It's been great. They do have a 24 to 48 hour turnaround, but they're reliable, trustworthy, and they do what they say they're going to do. I'm not going to do a complete review of the dash cam in my video here. There are reviews online that you can view. I'll post a link to a couple of them in the comments below. And I'll also post a link to the list of materials that I needed to use to install the dash cam into my car. But over the last 3 weeks, I've been enjoying a dash cam that's been working flawlessly. What it does is if somebody bumps your car, it'll send you an alert to your phone with a 30-second video of what took place. You can enable motion detection too. But I've found that the motion detection, if you have the car parked in a high traffic area, it just talks too much. You can enable and disable these features from your phone. Also, this thing will upload those videos to the cloud. So if somebody breaks into your car and they steal a dash cam, you still got the video evidence up in the cloud. The dash cam also has GPS. It will tell you where your car is. So if you lend your car to a friend or to your daughter or wife, you'll always know where they're at. You can track them on your phone. You can also view the camera remotely from your phone. And that's a pretty cool feature too. You can do it while it's parked. You can also do it while it's driving. So if your wife is driving the car and you want to say something to her, you can do that on the camera. You just pull the camera up and she'll be able to hear you on the camera as well as you can hear her. So if you choose to buy one of these cameras for your car and you end up having to use tech support and you get a lady named Mandy, please tell her James says hi. Well, thanks for watching my video. If you like this video and my other videos, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see future videos that I have coming out regarding maintenance on the Maserati Ghibli SQ4, click the bell and you'll be notified of those videos. My planned videos are, I will be changing the spark plugs, serpentine belt, water coolant, power steering fluid, and the brake fluid on this car, and I'll be doing a video on each one of those. So don't forget to click that bell so you'll be notified when I post those videos. Until then, if you own a beautiful Maserati like this, please get your thrills every day. Thanks for watching. Bye.